Hello, everyone. I am glad that you are again. I'm glad that you made in some ideas and things that I have done previously and see if it is more mess of a not really good, but you might think of for yourself for a lead chair and see if it works. And we can always talk about it to see, if you had some ideas or if you had some problems. And we can always put something, around and see and, make it look, not making it look, but for you to have what you need. And that's what's, for me, that really is very, for me, all of you. So, and you all know I'm still working on my stuff, and I'm hoping that I will, get a doctor to look at my stuff that is still not quite there, but I'm not gonna let myself with this. So I am really, that is so like chairs are really, great and important, and people might need something for their home, maybe something for their, somewhere else. I don't know, but even the question is you don't know, and that is okay to not, to not have the question. And it's really important for me, but other people to think about. That's something you might have a question, and make something that, that it's great, that it makes it great, that you can get around, or, and the question is, get around. And I can't say all of the things that I have right now because of the incident I had, but I'm going to continue to do this. Even in crazy stuff that I put in for Monday. For Monday, I was like, oh my God, did I actually put that? So, and maybe that will give some ideas. And that's the question. That is good. That is some ideas that you would see. like like you never want to see that. So that is, for someone doesn't want to see that. Okay, don't. And maybe you have a great idea, so it can get a little crazy thing. But I want people to I want them to know, to being good people for themselves, really. uh, Being good in being who they are, who they want to know as people, and not being, you know, not, not, not. So my people is to say that I don't want people to get struck. They don't know how to fix anything. And there is a possibility. There's always a possibility to be able to fix something. Always. So there is no reason to define things for someone who needs something. So if you don't find it, then that is other people can put those ideas to, oh yeah, you can do this or that, or and this is a different thing they can do, or another doctor can help with that. So there's all kinds of things for you not to be stuck. So that is I don't want people to get stuck. No stucks. No stuck anywhere. Be able to hear their chairs. I have a hard time to say some things that don't work right now for me, but I know that each of you, now that you've done that, the medwa, I can even start the day for the day, but I want it to work. You know what I mean. You know what I'm talking about, and I know that it will get better soon, and maybe in 2 weeks, two places, that I will have to go back and get these things to get fixed better so I can talk, and that's my problem, that I get stuck. And that happened. We were supposed to do a special situation, and then I get stuck with this, and we had to work this out. So I'm not going to let by myself. I'm gonna work this out. So ask your questions still, and we'll figure out an idea. All right. So take yourselves great times, and look at your, fine with your, with people that you don't know, or you haven't, or you have, and you've met with them and had great times. So let's see how this goes through, and you have some fine time. So take care, and I will check with you all, and put your your ideas out there, and I'll listen. Take care. Bye-bye.